In this video, I'll compare Jira and ClickUp to help you decide which is the better fit for your team. While both are strong project management tools, they're built with very different priorities in mind. Let's break it down. First up, Jira. Jira is a project management platform created specifically for software development teams. It's built around agile methodologies, offering Scrum and Kanban boards, backlog management, sprint planning, release tracking, and powerful reporting tools. Workflows are fully customizable, so you can tailor them to match your team's exact process. Whether you're a small dev team or a large enterprise running multiple projects. One of Jira's biggest strengths is its deep integration with the developer tools. You can connect it to Bitbucket, GitHub, GitLab, Confluence, and CI/CD pipelines, so commits, pull requests, and build statuses automatically update your issues. It also includes granular permissions, audit logs, and a massive marketplace of add-ons, making it highly scalable. While Jira does have a steeper learning curve, it's unmatched when it comes to handling complex software projects with precision and flexibility. Now, ClickUp. ClickUp takes a different approach. It's an all-in-one workspace aimed at every kind of team, from marketing and sales to HR, support, and yes, developers. It blends project management with docs, whiteboards, chat, goal tracking, and automation in one visual interface. The platform is easy to pick up, and its flexibility makes it appealing for smaller teams or cross-functional groups that want one tool for everything. ClickUp offers a wide range of integrations and strong customization, but its broad focus means it's not as specialized for agile software development as Jira. While it can handle sprints and task boards, its extra features can sometimes feel more general purpose, and teams that rely heavily on developer-focused workflows may find it less streamlined than Jira. So, which should you choose? If you're managing agile development, running sprints, and integrating directly with your code and deployment pipelines, Jira is the better long-term investment. Its scalability, workflow depth, and developer-focused features make it ideal for software teams. If you're looking for an easy-to-use platform that works across departments and combines multiple work tools into one, ClickUp is a great choice, especially for smaller or mixed teams.